Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz GTX Pro. This vehicle comes in the long wheelbase format and features an 86 kWh battery producing 340 PS. The vehicle also features the 4MOTION 4-wheel drive technology. Finished here in the two-tone colour combination of mono silver over cherry red, this example features IQ LED matrix headlights as well as a set of 360 cameras. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find the 21-inch Townsville alloy wheels coming in a black colour. Privacy glass lines the rear windows, and towards the rear we'll find a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. The GTX Pro features an electric tailgate, and in the back there's plenty of storage space as well as the release for the electric tow bar. Upon release, this provides a variety of different towing applications. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle, where we'll find a total of 5 seats. The 3-seater passenger bench in the middle can be folded flat, and rear passengers can get plenty of sunlight into the back of the vehicle thanks to the panoramic glass sunroof. Up front in the driver's cab area, we'll find 2 singular seats with twin armrests as well as a heated function, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. Throughout the centre console there are a few cup holders as well as the ID Buzz box, and for the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel with touch controls and red contrast stitching. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz GTX Pro. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.